Alright, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at the horizontal rule tag, the break tag, and the comment tag. So let's go ahead to the horizontal rule tag. It's used to separate the heading from the rest of the content. Alright, so these are HR. Alright, so there's an exception here. That doesn't have a closing tag because it's an empty element, so the HR ends with a forward slash. So refresh our website, you can see that there's a horizontal line under the H1 heading. Okay, so let's come down. As you can see, we have two paragraphs, and it looks like they don't something different or unique. So why not combine them? Alright, so let's save the code and run it. So refresh. See that after we brought them together in one paragraph, they are on the same line. So what we do is now introduce the break tag to separate them or take them back to different lines, and there's an exception here too. Alright, so let's save it and run it. Okay, refresh it. As you can see, it has been separated on two different lines. So that's the function of the break tag. Alright, so now let's introduce the comments. So comments, if they don't appear on our website, when you comment a text, it doesn't appear on the website. So since this is not very important, let's just comment it. Let's use the less than, exclamation, and hyphen, two hyphens, and you close it. It has a closing tag with two hyphens and a greater than sign here. So let's save it. Let's save it and run it and see what happens. Alright, so when you run your code, you can see that the second line is missing because of the commented that text. Which is, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now let's clear the comment. Let's delete this, and let's delete this and save it and run it again. So let's refresh it. You can see, don't forget to subscribe and back. So, yeah, that's basically what the comment does. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today. You can see I'm doing it again. So probably that's all for this video. So catching up on our next video, we'll be looking at how to insert images or import images into our website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.